Hi, my name is Dr.Amee Daxini. I'm a practicing dermatologist in Bangalore in my clinic called Think Skin Clinic. Psoriasis is an autoimmune condition in which you start noticing development of discolored, scaly, itchy, raised patches, which sometimes also can be painful. Now, this is because of the immune system changes that happen, which increases inflammation in the body. Now, psoriasis could be heredity. It could transfer from generation to generation, or it could just suddenly appear randomly in one particular generation. Since this is an inflammatory disease, foods that cause inflammation in our body can trigger flare-ups, can increase the severity and reduce the effect of medications that we use for psoriasis. So certain foods that I really want all of you psoriatic patients to be wary of are all those increase inflammation in the body. And the first to begin with is alcohol. Always limit your alcohol intake because alcohol not only increases inflammation, some of the alcohols are very high in sugar like beer, and they can then cause not just increase in the weight, but itself can lead to increased sugar and increase in flare-up. The second is gluten containing diet. We've noticed many a times that high gluten can increase inflammation and cause more symptoms of itching, irritation, as well as burning sensation in psoriasis. The third important thing that we need to remember is saturated fats and trans fats. So diets which are very high in oil, like fried food or processed food, these can increase oxidative stress in the body, increasing inflammation and causing a flare-up. The other thing that we need to remember is everything that is high in sugar. Remember, sugar is the most inflammatory agent in all that we eat. And sugar is not just sugar that we add to our tea or coffee, but it's also all high sugar containing desserts, all the mithais that we love to eat. They are all pro-inflammatory agents, increasing inflammation in the body, increasing flare-ups, irritation, sensitivity to the skin. So when you as a psoriatic patient really want to calm down your skin, remember these next tips that I'm giving you, which will help you reduce these flare-ups, also reduce the symptoms. And I'll tell you how we figured this out. To tell you very frankly, if you are into fasting, maybe religiously or for detox, you will notice that your psoriatic symptoms start reducing. That is because we are reducing the intake of all these pro-inflammatory agents, and we're taking in fruits, certain vegetables which are allowed in fasting, and thereby reducing the symptoms of psoriasis. Let me tell you, first are your green leaf vegetables. They are great antioxidants. They do not add any sugar to the diet, and they are wonderful in improving the gut bacteria because it increases a lot of fiber. So you have your spinach, your amaranth, your methi leaves, coriander, kale. All of this help increasingly to reduce the flare-up in psoriasis. The next, of course, is fruits, especially the berry fruits and vitamin C containing citrus fruits. These are great antioxidants which will also reduce inflammation. You have fish that is high in fats. That also helps in psoriasis because it reduces the itching and inflammation, like salmon, which is high in omega-3. That helps reduce the symptoms. The others are oils that we use. The oils which are heart-friendly, like the oils which are higher in omega-3, less in omega-6, like your coconut oil, your flaxseed oil, your safflower oil, olive oil. All of these oils increase in your diet, or make your food in these oils, which will again reduce the symptoms of psoriasis. Remember, weight gain is directly proportional to increase in symptoms. So always eat a balanced diet. Do not forget to exercise and control your sugar intake. Quit smoking if you are doing that, and limit your alcohol intake, and see that your psoriasis flare-ups reduce, as well as the symptoms of itching, irritation and redness will also subside.